Throughout the extensive chronicles of human history, few endeavors have stirred the collective imagination and propelled the course of humanity forward as powerfully and profoundly as the iconic Apollo 11 mission. This monumental feat of exploration and courage, which unfolded during the summer of 1969, remains one of the most remarkable and inspirational chapters ever written in the annals of human achievement. Apollo 11 was not just a mission. It was a bold leap into the unknown, a symbol of humanity's relentless curiosity and unyielding desire to transcend earthly boundaries. It marked the first time mankind set foot on a celestial body beyond our planet, the Moon. Against a backdrop of intense geopolitical rivalry, scientific ambition and technological innovation, 3 brave astronauts embarked on a journey that would captivate the world and forever change our understanding of what was possible. The mission epitomized the culmination of years of painstaking research, dedication, and an extraordinary collaborative effort involving thousands of engineers, scientists, and visionaries. Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins, names that have since become synonymous with courage and discovery, etched their legacy in history by achieving the first successful manned lunar landing. As Armstrong famously declared, "That's one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind." Those words echoed the hopes and dreams of millions. Apollo 11 was more than a scientific expedition. It was a unifying moment for humanity, inspiring generations to look beyond our blue planet and dream bigger, reach farther. In reflecting on this cosmic odyssey, we are reminded of the power of human determination and the enduring spirit of exploration that continues to drive our quest to understand the universe around us. The story of Apollo 11 is not just about reaching the moon. It's about the boundless potential of mankind to push the limits of knowledge and boldly venture into the great unknown. While many remember Apollo 11 primarily for its triumphant lunar landing and Neil Armstrong's immortal words echoing across the silent expanse of space, there exists a shadowed narrative, a story far less told and often overlooked, nestled quietly within the mission's grand timeline. This is the tale of Michael Collins, the unsung hero of Apollo 11. Whose role in the monumental lunar saga was nothing short of pivotal, yet whose legacy has remained shrouded in relative obscurity. Today, we set out on an expedition into the forgotten corridors of history, guided by Michael Collins himself. Through his eyes, we will uncover a fascinating collection of secrets, stories both curious and captivating, that shed new light on the Apollo 11 journey to the moon's distant and desolate surface. While Armstrong and Aldrin took the historic steps onto the lunar soil, Collins remained in solitary orbit aboard the command module, circling the moon alone, entrusted with the critical task of keeping the spacecraft safe and ready for their return. His was a lonely vigil, filled with equal parts tension and responsibility as he maintained the lifeline between the Earth and those who dared to walk on the moon. Often called the forgotten astronaut, Collins was anything but forgotten in the hearts of his fellow crew members and those who understand the immense demands of spaceflight. His steadfast commitment, calm resolve, and expert piloting were essential to the mission's success. A true testament to the fact that exploration is never the work of one alone, but the achievement of many. As we journey through Michael Collins' story, we'll reveal the human side of space exploration, the fears, hopes, and quiet heroism that accompanied him in the vast loneliness of lunar orbit. His reflections provide a unique perspective on one of humanity's most extraordinary adventures, reminding us that sometimes the most profound contributions happen behind the scenes, away from the spotlight. Join us as we unlock this hidden chapter of Apollo 11, celebrating the courage and dedication of Michael Collins and rediscovering the deeper layers of a mission that redefined the limits of possibility for all humankind. And what of the mysterious far side of the moon, the enigmatic realm that has long beckoned humanity with its silent secrets? It raises an intriguing question. Why, after decades of quiet reticence, did Michael Collins choose this very moment to reveal the cryptic experiences he kept locked away for so long? What unknown events or revelations on the lunar surface compelled this stoic astronaut to finally share these concealed truths, hidden deep within the cosmic expanse? Join us as we journey further into this captivating narrative, peeling back the many layers of mystery that Michael Collins gradually uncovers about Apollo 11's extraordinary lunar mission. His reflections open a window into moments never before fully explored, moments that challenge our understanding of that historic voyage. Of course, no recounting of Apollo 11 would be complete without revisiting the immortal words of Neil Armstrong, spoken as he took humankind's first steps onto the moon's desolate surface. Each syllable echoes with the profound weight of the moment, etching itself indelibly into the collective memory of our species. A testament to human courage, curiosity, and the unyielding drive to explore. Yet, behind those iconic words lies a deeper story, one woven with suspense, solitude, and secrets, that only now begins to come to light through the voice of the mission's often overlooked guardian of lunar orbit, Michael Collins. That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. These iconic words, spoken against the desolate and barren backdrop of the moon's surface, perfectly captured the monumental significance of that historic moment. Buzz Aldrin soon followed in Neil Armstrong's footsteps, as the two brave astronauts boldly ventured onto the lunar terrain, forever etching their names into the annals of history. Meanwhile, Michael Collins held a role just as critical, though often overshadowed and underappreciated. Serving as the vigilant guardian of the command module Columbia, he orbited the moon alone, ensuring the safe return of his comrades as they embarked on their extraordinary cosmic exploration. The moon itself has captivated humanity's imagination since the dawn of consciousness. For millennia, it has been a symbol wrapped in mystery and awe. Long before the invention of telescopes or modern scientific instruments, our ancestors gazed at the moon with wonder and curiosity, crafting stories, myths, and calendars around its phases and light. For centuries, humans meticulously tracked the moon's phases, unraveling the intricate rhythms of lunar eclipses and weaving rich myths and legends around its silvery visage. Early sky watchers intuited the moon's powerful influence on Earth's tides and pondered its mysterious effects on human psychology and behavior. The first probes sent to the moon were unmanned. Soviet lunar missions and the American Ranger and Surveyor programs paved the way. These early robotic explorers returned invaluable data about the lunar surface, geology, and environmental conditions. With every new discovery, humanity's fascination deepened, fueling a growing determination to send humans to walk on that distant, enigmatic world. This ambition intensified dramatically during the Cold War, as the United States and the Soviet Union engaged in a fierce competition for space supremacy. The race to the moon became a symbolic battleground for national pride and technological prowess. In response, the United States launched the Apollo program in 1961, a bold and resounding commitment to land a man on the moon and return him safely to Earth. This bold affirmation of our determination to send humans to the moon and return them safely before the decade's end demanded unprecedented resources, ingenuity, and coordination. The Apollo program encompassed a multitude of developmental and testing stages, each progressively more complex. These included suborbital and orbital flights to test spacecraft systems, intricate rendezvous and docking maneuvers in Earth orbit, simulations of lunar orbit and descent, and the pioneering art of extravehicular activities, EVS, all essential milestones leading up to the moon landing. The zenith of the Apollo program was the historic Apollo 11 mission, which embarked on its celestial journey on July 16, 1969. As the world watched with bated breath, on July 20, 1969, the lunar module Eagle descended gracefully onto the moon's dusty surface. The triad of adventurers, Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins, had successfully entered lunar orbit. And as Armstrong began his descent to the surface, history was poised to be rewritten. At precisely 2:56 a.m. GMT, Neil Armstrong took that momentous small step, leaving his indelible footprint on the lunar regolith and uttering the immortal words that resonated across the globe. That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. Shortly after, Buzz Aldrin joined Armstrong, and for nearly 2 riveting hours, the duo conducted scientific experiments, collected lunar samples, and documented their surroundings with photographs and video. This extraordinary feat symbolized not just a technological triumph, but a profound milestone in humanity's quest to explore the cosmos, one that inspired generations and expanded the horizon of what was deemed possible. They collected samples and etched their mark in history. The mission reached its climax with the planting of the American flag on the lunar surface, a powerful symbol heralding their triumphant achievement. After completing their historic moonwalk, Armstrong and Aldrin reunited with Michael Collins in the command module Columbia to begin their journey home. On July 24, 1969, they safely splashed down into the Pacific Ocean, completing an epoch-defining voyage. The adulation and celebration that greeted these fearless explorers upon their return reflected their immense valor and the indomitable human spirit. They had transformed the dreams of countless generations into reality and ignited a new era of space exploration. Yet, amid this triumphant narrative, Michael Collins, the often overlooked astronaut, played an indispensable and heroic role. As the command module pilot, Collins carried the vital responsibility of safeguarding their lifeline. He meticulously monitored and maintained all spacecraft systems, ensuring their flawless operation throughout the mission. His role was critical during the lunar module's docking procedure, a moment demanding absolute precision and expertise. One small error could have had catastrophic consequences, jeopardizing the mission and the lives of his fellow astronauts. Beyond this, Collins ensured the smooth functioning of all command module systems, including life support, communications, and propulsion. He was instrumental in relaying lunar photographs and observations to mission control, bridging the gap between Earth and the distant moon. Without his steadfast vigilance and skill, the success of Apollo 11 might have been impossible. Facilitating real-time insights into the moon's composition, Michael Collins' role transcended that of a mere technician. He served as the vital conduit between the lunar explorers and mission control on Earth. While Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin made their historic lunar excursion, Collins ensured that every photograph, every observation, reached Earth swiftly and accurately, providing scientists and mission planners with invaluable data. Collins's responsibilities extended beyond communication. His role during the Trans-Earth injection maneuver was equally critical. This complex operation involved firing the spacecraft's engines to escape lunar orbit and plot a precise trajectory back to Earth. The successful execution of this maneuver was absolutely paramount to the astronaut's safe return, and Collins's technical skill and composure under pressure were the linchpin of this success. Despite the seemingly understated nature of his role, Collins embodied the true spirit of teamwork and camaraderie. He personified the collaborative ethos that underpinned the Apollo 11 mission, from its inception to its triumphant conclusion. However, it was in the solitude of space that Collins' story takes a profound and intriguing turn. While orbiting the moon's far side, he experienced a degree of isolation unparalleled in human history. The moon's unique radio blocking properties severed his communication links with both his fellow astronauts and mission control, leaving him utterly alone in the vast expanse of space. In that profound silence, Collins confronted the immense loneliness and responsibility of his task, a solitary vigil that few have ever endured. In those moments of radio silence, Michael Collins was the only human being in the entire cosmos. A profound and almost unimaginable isolation. The moon's far side, as Collins poetically described it, is a realm of serene solitude. Unlike the familiar near side, this hidden hemisphere absorbs radio waves, effectively cutting off any communication and plunging Collins into complete silence. Yet, despite the eerie quiet, Collins recalled these moments not with loneliness, but with a sense of calm and tranquility. Adrift in the vast darkness of space, separated from all earthly voices, he found unexpected solace in introspection. Unlike the Apollo 8 crew, who orbited the moon together and shared radio silence collectively, Collins was the first human ever to orbit alone behind the moon's far side, granting him a uniquely solitary vantage point. From this isolated perch, he observed Earth itself, a fragile blue orb suspended in the vast emptiness of space, cut off from terrestrial transmissions and human contact. In that moment, Collins experienced a powerful perspective on humanity's place in the universe, a humbling and profound reminder of both our vulnerability and resilience. The moon's far side, untouched by the radio interference that continuously plagues its near side, offers astronomers a pristine sanctuary of radio silence. This cosmic quietude arises from the absence of human-generated radio frequencies, creating an unparalleled environment ideal for radio astronomy. Unlike Earth, which buzzes incessantly with signals from radios, television broadcasts, mobile networks and satellites, the far side of the moon remains shielded, allowing faint signals from distant celestial bodies to be detected with unprecedented clarity. This silence transforms the far side into a natural observatory, free from the cacophonous noise that hampers radio observations on Earth and the moon's near side. The near side, perpetually facing Earth, is engulfed in a relentless storm of radio frequency interference, making it a daunting challenge for astronomers to isolate weak cosmic signals. In stark contrast, the far side's radio quietness acts as a cosmic refuge, inviting scientists to peer deeper into the universe. The allure of the moon's far side has not gone unnoticed by the global scientific community. In 2019, China's Chang'e 4 mission made history by landing a robotic rover in the Von Karman crater, located within the vast South Pole Aitken Basin on the Moon's far side. This landmark mission was the first ever to explore this hidden lunar hemisphere up close, deploying a rover specifically designed to conduct low-frequency radio astronomical observation. Operating via a relay satellite stationed at the Earth-Moon L2 Lagrange point, the rover enabled continuous communication despite the far side's natural radio blackout. By venturing into this unexplored frontier, the Chang'e 4 mission opened new windows for studying the universe's earliest epochs and cosmic phenomena otherwise obscured by Earth-based interference. The far side's unique radio environment is invaluable for investigating faint radio waves emitted by distant galaxies, cosmic microwave background radiation, and even signals potentially linked to dark matter and other cosmic mysteries. Beyond its exceptional radio quietness, the Moon's far side holds another significant advantage. It lacks a substantial ionosphere. Earth's ionosphere, a charged layer high above the planet's surface, often absorbs or reflects incoming cosmic radio waves, complicating radio astronomy efforts. Without this ionospheric layer, the Moon's far side provides a clearer, less distorted view of the universe's radio frequency landscape, enhancing the potential for groundbreaking discoveries. As humanity continues to explore and understand this remote lunar region, the far side stands as a beacon of scientific promise, a natural radio observatory poised to unlock secrets of the cosmos previously beyond our reach. Its silent expanse invites us to listen carefully, free from earthly noise, to the whispers of the universe. The presence of Earth's ionosphere presents significant challenges for astronomers, as this charged layer in the upper atmosphere absorbs or reflects many cosmic radio signals, complicating efforts to detect faint celestial emissions. In contrast, the Moon's far side is almost entirely free of such interference due to the near absence of a substantial ionosphere, making it uniquely suited for radio astronomy. This rare celestial seclusion allows for the detection of weak cosmic signals without the usual terrestrial hindrances that plague Earth-based observations. During his solitary orbits around the Moon's far side, Michael Collins experienced this unique vantage point firsthand. From his vantage in the command module, he gazed upon the Moon's enigmatic visage, a stark, cratered landscape untouched by human presence or eyes. His view was unlike any other, marked by the mesmerizing sight of Earth rising over the lunar horizon. This breathtaking spectacle revealed our planet as a fragile, azure orb suspended against the vast cosmic backdrop. The profound emotions stirred within Collins by witnessing Earthrise left an indelible mark on his soul. Seeing Earth from such a remote vantage underscored both the vulnerability and interconnectedness of all life on our home planet. Suspended in the vast cosmic sea, Earth appeared simultaneously minute and precious, a delicate jewel adrift in the immense darkness of space. This rare perspective, often referred to as the overview effect, transformed Collins's outlook on life and humanity. It imparted a deep, humbling understanding of Earth's place in the grand tapestry of the universe, emphasizing the planet's fragility and the shared responsibility of all who inhabit it. In the wake of this cosmic revelation, Michael Collins emerged as a passionate advocate for protecting Earth and promoting unity among its inhabitants. His unique experience orbiting the Moon's far side not only made him a witness to humanity's greatest journey, but also a powerful voice for safeguarding the delicate world we call home. Michael Collins became a passionate advocate for Earth's conservation, urging humanity to cherish and safeguard our fragile world. He cautioned against actions that threatened the delicate balance of nature and stressed the urgent need to protect our planet's ecosystems. Collins ardently hoped that political leaders and decision-makers would one day embrace the cosmic perspective he had gained, one that sees Earth not just as a resource, but as a precious, interconnected home, worthy of care and respect. The solitude of space became a crucible for profound introspection. It compelled Collins to confront existential questions that reshaped his beliefs and spiritual outlook. Before his journey, he was not overtly religious. However, the cosmic voyage awakened in him a deep sense of purpose and order within the universe. A spiritual awakening born from the quiet vastness of space. For nearly a day, Collins was the loneliest human alive, orbiting the far side of the moon in complete radio silence. Yet rather than feeling isolated or fearful, he cherished this solitude. The silence became a sanctuary where he could meditate on life's most profound questions. Who are we? What is our role in the cosmos? How can we protect our planet from looming peril? These contemplations, born in the serene expanse of space, infused Collins with a heightened sense of environmental responsibility. His journey was not just a physical voyage beyond Earth's bounds, but a transformative experience that deepened his commitment to preserving the planet for future generations. Through his unique vantage point, Collins emerged not only as an explorer of space, but as a guardian of Earth's fragile legacy. Michael Collins' solitary orbit around the moon's far side transformed him into a thoughtful steward of Earth. This unique experience deepened his advocacy for unity, highlighting the profound interconnectedness of all life on our planet. Though often called the quiet astronaut, Collins became much more than a pilot. He emerged as a philosopher, an astronaut who contemplated the universe's deepest mysteries while circling our celestial neighbor. The Apollo 11 mission was not only a giant leap for mankind, it was also a voyage of self-discovery and cosmic perspective. From the lunar far side, Michael Collins gazed upon Earth with a clarity and reverence that few have ever known. His vision invites us all to reflect on our place within the vast universe and to cherish and protect our fragile planet, our only cradle of life amidst the cosmic void. Collins's legacy extends far beyond the boundaries of the lunar module. He inspires us to explore the limitless realms of space, while at the same time safeguarding the sanctity of our home, Earth. His story is a timeless reminder of humanity's indomitable spirit, boundless curiosity, and the responsibility that comes with our unique vantage point in the cosmos. As we continue our journey ever deeper into the vast expanse of the cosmos, we carry with us the enduring wisdom and profound insights of Michael Collins, the astronaut who found tranquility, enlightenment, and a unique sense of purpose in the solitude of space. His experience orbiting silently around the far side of the moon, away from the voices of Earth and the company of his fellow explorers, was not one of loneliness, but of deep reflection. In that serene isolation, Collins discovered a powerful reminder of the fragile beauty and interconnectedness of all life on our home planet. His perspective transcends the boundaries of space travel. It speaks to the very core of the human spirit, the relentless drive to explore, to understand, and to connect. Collins's journey is a testament to the enduring nature of human curiosity and the capacity for awe when confronted with the infinite mysteries of the universe. It reminds us that no matter how far we venture into the stars, our roots remain tied to Earth, a delicate and precious oasis in the cosmic wilderness. In embracing Collins's legacy, we are called not only to push the frontiers of science and exploration, but also to nurture and protect the fragile ecosystems of our planet. His story encourages us to cultivate a global consciousness, one that honors the delicate balance of life and acknowledges the shared responsibility we bear for its preservation. As humanity steps boldly forward into new chapters of cosmic discovery, may we do so with the same spirit of humility, unity and reverence that Michael Collins exemplified. His voyage teaches us that true exploration is not merely about reaching new worlds, but about gaining deeper insight into our own, fostering wisdom, compassion, and an unwavering commitment to the interconnected web of life that sustains us all.